Can you drift a slow diesel? Hell yeah, you can. Ooh, those leaves. Because the road is wet, the tires are kind of fucked, and it's a rear-wheel drive car. It doesn't really matter that it's slow, you know. Holy shit. Yeah, it's fun as fuck. It's fun as fuck until you run into something, you know. Huh? Look at this, look at this, look at this. Check him out. I will go real slow because I don't know if he isn't under the tires. Yeah, he isn't. Nice. Holy shit. For me, it's better to do it when it's dark outside, because then you see the lights of the other car in the corner, so you don't have to. That's why I'm flickering the lights, to see if there are lights from a car. There aren't, so I can do this. You know, so that's the main point why I'm doing that. But overall, yeah, it's possible, you know. Maybe one time I can weld the diff and try it in the, and I can try it in the, maybe one time I can weld the diff and try it when the road is dry. Because even though it's slow diesel, it still has kind of a lot of torque because it's a diesel. So yeah, that's the point that I'm trying to make. But overall, it's possible. Yeah, sometimes the differential just fucked the drift up, but it's not a problem at all. You know, it's part of the not welded diff experience. So yeah. You know, the only problem with the diesel, is that, you know, you have the only problem with diesel is that you can kind of rev up to only 4,000 RPM, so that's not the best. Holy shit. Also, one more thing I want to mention. I'm not using a clutch kick or a handbrake to go for the drift, because I'm only used to do that in the winter. Not the handbrake, but the clutch kick, because it's not that hard on the clutch when there is snow. It's like more slippery and it won't make that problem to the clutch, you know. But in these situations where I don't know how strong the grip will be, I try to not use clutch kicks, to slip it like this, like up. Yeah, and I will just slip it with the acceleration. I will let the turbos pull up around, I don't know, 2000 RPM, and then just press the gas pedal and it will kick out like this. Right now I fucked it up. So yeah, I'm just using the gas pedal to do the drifting, and then I just counter steer, you know, and it's kind of easy. But I really don't wanna put pressure on the clutch because I don't wanna fuck it up when it's my daily driver. It's slow BMW E46 320D. So yeah, that's about that. Maybe you can turn off the fucking lamps. Okay, I will turn them on. Okay, I can turn them on as well. I can't speak. Kurwa. Okay, don't know what to do more. It's doable, depends. But yeah, I'm going out. I'm leaving this video. Peace out.